having economic causes. Economic causes arises due to certain changes in the market. ठीक है, due to certain changes in the economy as a whole. Like I have given you the example of change in demand of the consumer. ठीक है, change in the taste and preferences of the consumer. ठीक है, so all the consumers, they are the part of the economy. ठीक है, so any disadvantage created on the part of the consumers in the market that confronted with the economic causes. ठीक है, because all the consumers, they are forming the part of the economy. Last we are having, that is the physical causes. Physical causes means when we are talking about the physical thing, like I have given you the example regarding the technology also. You can over here take the example of the machinery. ठीक है, machinery is in the physical form. ठीक है, that can be seen, that can be touched, and by using the machinery, the business houses, they are doing the production on the large scale. They are improving the quality of their products also. ठीक है, so any change in the technology, ठीक है, may result in the machinery being outdated. One new technology is there in the market. ठीक है, as a result क्या होएगा? Consumer will shift their preference from one product to the another product. So that is regarded as the physical causes. These all are the causes of the business risk. Last topic we are having, that is the types of the business risk. We are having two types of the risk, that is the insurable risk and non-insurable risk. Insurable risk means the risk which can be insured. ठीक है, जिसके बजाय हमें इंश्योरेंस का क्लेम मिल सकता है उसको हम इंश्योरेबल रिस्क बोलते हैं. एंड नॉन इंश्योरेबल रिस्क मीन्स दे आर वी कैन से द रिस्क विच कैन नॉट, फॉर विच वी कैन नॉट क्लेम अप the compensation from the insurance company, that is regarded as the non-insurable risk. ठीक है, insurable risk means you can take generally. We have done the example, we have done natural causes, we have done physical causes also. ठीक है, तो basically the natural risk as well as the physical risk, ठीक है, these both are insurable in nature, means for which we can claim up the compensation. ठीक है, like for example death is the natural process. किसी को ये तो नहीं पता कि हाँ आज हमने मर जाना या नहीं मरना. ठीक है, so death is regarded as the natural risk. And you might have heard that your parents, they are talking about that we have taken life insurance policy. Life insurance policy means that we are insurance company have given the insurance related to the life of the person. ठीक है, that whenever the person died, ठीक है, then they are giving up the amount of the compensation to the family of the person who had died. ठीक है, so these are regarded as the insurable risk. Next we are having, that is the non-insurable risk. Non-insurable risk means you can take the example of the economic, ठीक है, causes, or you can take the example of the human risk. They are non-insurable in nature. अब there is sudden change, ठीक है, in the taste and preferences of the consumer. ठीक है, तो कंज्यूमर ने एक बिजनेस हाउस का प्रोडक्ट छोड़ के दूसरे बिजनेस हाउस का यूज करना शुरू कर दिया. ठीक है, सो in that case that particular risk is not insured. ठीक है, उसका कोई क्लेम नहीं है, उसका कोई कंपनसेशन नहीं है. सेम इज द केस विद द ह्यूमन रिस्क ऑल्सो. द रिस्क विच अराइजेज ड्यू टू द डिसऑनेस्टी ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज, उसको कोई कंपनसेट नहीं कर सकता. ठीक है, सो दीज बोथ आर रिगार्डेड एज द टाइप्स ऑफ बिजनेस रिस्क, दैट इज इंश्योरेबल एज वेल एज नॉन insurable. ठीक है, so in this module we have talked about the business risk, the nature of the business risk, causes of the business risk, as well as the types of the business risk. बच्चे, with this we have finished up our first chapter, that is the nature and purpose of the business. I have given you the homework assignment also time by time, and please Do your work on the regular basis so that you people must have the clarity of each and every concept. Okay? And in the next module, we are starting up with the forms of business organization. Thank you.